collaboration right here.
Twitch.
Yeah, you remind me of this chick I knew, used to pursue. She wouldn't let the left man screw, but let the crew. So I did what any man in that situation would do. Go find him something new that's gonna keep it gangsta boo. Don't take it personal, I just call him the way I see. And what I see is not a potential wife to be. So basically, there it is, and there it goes. I passed this time, but next lifetime,
Keep me in mind. Somewhere down the road you might get lonely. Keep me in mind, and pray someday that you will love me only. Think about you some days, and the way I would lay wasting day after day with you. Won't believe all of them. Won't believe all of them. We always go our separate ways, but no one can love you, baby, the way I do. With it.
I can recall a certain magic in your eyes. Although we are just meeting, I feel as though I already know you. It's such a shame that you remind me of a past love, my worst love. So sorry, but I can get with you, 'cause you remind me. This is why I just can't
Keep me in mind. Somewhere down the road you might get lonely. Keep me in mind, and pray someday that you will love me only. Well, the world can be real tough. Won't you hold